finance drill-through should not feel like more details. It should feel like the report is answering the next question naturally. When a finance user sees a variance, the follow-up questions are predictable. Where is it coming from? Which accounts? Which transactions? Drill-through should be designed around the sequence, not around the dataset. A common mistake is turning drill-through into another dashboard, crowded, slow, and unclear. A good drill-through page answers one question clearly, then offers the next step. Start with context. Users should instantly know what they drilled into. Cost center, period, and the same KPI definitions from the overview. Repeating KPIs here prevents users from losing the story. Next, explain the variance with one driver view, typically GL accounts.
Keep it ranked.
The biggest drivers should be at the top. Then provide a prioritized list. This is what makes drill-through operational. It tells finance where to focus. Finally, drill-through should take the user to evidence the transactions. Notice this page is intentionally simple. A clear table, sortable, and immediately usable for reconciliation. If this table isn't useful, drill-through hasn't completed the journey. 2 rules keep finance drill-through effective. First, keep KPI definitions consistent across pages. Second, always end at evidence, a transaction list or document-level detail. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here.